Hi friends, a very warm welcome to you all. In today's video, I'll be sharing a dessert recipe which is a no-bake dessert. This can be served as a pudding or a cake. This is made from cookies or you can go for any leftover biscuits. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. Let's start with cookies. In a bowl, just start breaking your favorite cookies into smaller pieces. Cookies can be any of your preference. You can even go with leftover ones. I'm going here with arrowroot and wheat flour based cookies. The size of cookies, as you can see, are neither too small nor too big. Now leave it aside, and to bind them we have to prepare a mix. For that, first add sugar to a pan. Now in goes is a tablespoon of cocoa powder and a tablespoon of corn flour. Now we'll be mixing them all together. After getting a uniform mix, now we'll be adding milk to it. I'm going here with 200 ml of cow's milk. Give a stir so that everything blends nicely. Now we'll be keeping this mixture for heating. And friends, while heating, make sure you are continuously stirring it or else it will stick to the bottom. And keep heating until the volume reduces to half. And on reaching the consistency, add a tablespoon of butter to it. And now add a piece of chocolate to it, and the chocolate can be any of your favorite one. And if you like more chocolate flavor, even the quantity of chocolate used can be increased. I'm keeping a flowy consistency here. If you need more thicker mix, you can add more corn flour to it. And now let's move back to our crushed cookies. I'm adding some pomegranate to it. Along with adding the nutritional benefit, pomegranate adds a wonderful crunch to this pudding. Just go with any of your favorite fruits. I'm adding here some mangoes and chopped pineapples. And now to another bowl, I'll be transferring this cookie and fruit mix. Addition of fruits already softens the texture of cookies. And now to bind them properly, I'll be adding the prepared mix to it. And now to give a nice chocolate coating, we have to mix everything properly. So friends, base of our pudding or cake is just done. And now just to balance out all the sweetness, I've added here 2 teaspoons of passion fruit pulp. You can even go with orange juice or lime. Passion fruit flavor or orange flavor just works well with chocolate. And now I've transferred it into a greased tray. Meanwhile, we'll be keeping the tray in the refrigerator. We'll be preparing the chocolate topping for it. To prepare the topping, I'm going with the normal chocolate bars which are easily available in the market, and this is not a compound chocolate. And to it I'm adding a piece of butter and some milk. Do add milk as soon as you keep the chocolate for heating, or else it will get solidified. And now heat all these 3, chocolate, butter and milk, over a double boiler or a steamer. So the pouring consistency of chocolate topping is ready. And after an hour or 2, take out the tray from the refrigerator if you want to serve it like a pudding. Refrigeration helps in setting this pudding. So this chocolate and fruit pudding is ready to be served. You can top it with chocolate syrup. Now let's check out the texture. Friends, addition of fruit pieces doesn't allow the texture to be firm, as fruits releases moisture and juices into the pudding, but it tastes just amazing along with addition of nutrition to this pudding. So friends, this was one way of serving this fruit and cookie dessert as a pudding. You can also serve this dessert as a cold cake after keeping it in freezer. Freezing will give it a more firmer texture, and now I'm pouring over chocolate syrup to it. And now I'm garnishing it with some chopped pistachio pieces. And to go with it, I'll be placing some chopped cherry pieces. So friends, our frozen cake is all set to go. And try out your hands on making this simple yet delicious recipe. And friends, before I end this video, let's see what all were required in making this recipe. And if you like this video, don't forget hitting the subscribe and like button. Hey friends, so it's time to take a leave now, and hope to see you all in my next video. And until we catch up next time, do take good care of yourself, eat healthy, stay healthy, God bless.